Hi everyone, Lori Gagne with the BGM Real Estate Team. Welcome to 294 Branthaven Street in the family-friendly neighborhood of Orleans. Come on in, take a look. So this fabulous Minto Park Place model has 4 bedrooms, double car parking in the front, ensuite, walk-in. This master obviously holds a king-size bed, and it even has room for a lounger so you can sit and watch the sunset. So if you're looking for a piece of country in the city, this is it. This 3-season gazebo is fantastic. Windows, screens, doors. Come in here, you'll feel like you've completely escaped the city. Thanks for taking a look at the video. For more information on this house, please head to our website, www.myottawateam.com, or give us a call, 613-558-8000.